Welcome to this lesson on trigonometry. Today, we are exploring the cotangent function, commonly abbreviated as COT. While you might be familiar with sine, cosine, and tangent, cotangent is an equally important reciprocal function that we will define and understand in this session. To start, let's revisit the foundation of trigonometry, the right-angled triangle. For any given angle theta, the sides of the triangle are named based on their position. The hypotenuse is the longest side. The opposite side is directly across from the angle, and the adjacent side is the one next to it. Before defining cotangent, recall the tangent function. We use the mnemonic TOA to remember that tangent is the ratio of the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. This is crucial because cotangent is directly related to this ratio. So, what is cotangent? The cotangent of an angle theta is defined as the ratio of the adjacent side divided by the opposite side. Notice how this is the reverse of the tangent definition. Instead of opposite over adjacent, we have adjacent over opposite. This leads us to the most important property of cotangent. It is the reciprocal of tangent. Mathematically, this means cotangent theta equals 1 divided by tangent theta. If you know the value of tangent, you can simply flip the fraction to find the cotangent. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose we have a triangle where the opposite side is 3 and the adjacent side is 4. To find the cotangent, we take the adjacent, which is 4, and divide it by the opposite, which is 3. So, the cotangent of theta is 4/3, or approximately 1.33. On the unit circle, we can visualize these functions geometrically. If we draw an angle theta, the cotangent can be represented as a specific line segment. It corresponds to the horizontal distance from the y-axis to the point where the extended radius intersects the horizontal line y equals 1. This geometric view helps in understanding its behavior. When we graph y equals cotangent x, we see a repeating pattern. The function decreases from left to right. Notice the vertical dashed lines. These are asymptotes where the function is undefined. This happens at 0, pi, and 2 pi, because at these angles, the tangent is 0, making the reciprocal undefined. Here is a table of common values. At 45 degrees, both tangent and cotangent are 1. However, notice the relationship at 30 and 60 degrees. Tangent of 30 is 1 over root 3, so cotangent of 30 is just root 3. Also, at 90 degrees, while tangent is undefined, cotangent is 0. To summarize, remember these key points. Cotangent is adjacent over opposite. It is the reciprocal of tangent. It is undefined whenever tangent is 0. And finally, its graph repeats every 180 degrees. Understanding these basics will help you solve more complex trigonometric problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.